Okay, here's the tutorial. I'm on my profile. I'm choosing one of the posts that I've done. Then I'm going to hit the little triangle airplane. I'm going to add that post to a story. There you go. Then I'm going to tap the square happy face at the top. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find that sticker that says support small business. I'm going to tag myself in it as an example. So you can see how it auto-populates, and I can move things around with my finger in my stories, and I can change it up. I can move it really anywhere on my screen, and I can move the actual post itself down too, which is great. There you go. Then I add a hashtag. In this case, I'm putting support local business. I was going to do it with a black background, but I decided to do pink. I changed it up. And then I'm going to go back into where you get the gifts, and I'm going to pick my location, which is going to be Boca Raton. Now, I sometimes hide these things behind my other bigger stickers, but for this purpose, I'm just kind of leave it here so you can see what I'm doing. And then I share it to my story. And this is how you can share businesses in your community. Go to their profile, share a post from their business, and do the same thing I did here using my own profile as an example. Please make sure you're following me at the Michelle B on Instagram. You can also find me on YouTube under Michelle Belisari. I have 2 accounts there, and you can certainly check that out. If you want more information, great blog posts that continue the conversation about things happening in our real estate business in regard to marketing, branding, ideas, hit up sipsocialsell.com. That is my website. And also, if you would like to join Women to Women in Real Estate, that is my private Facebook group. Come on over. We continue the conversation there. I so appreciate you sharing my podcast with other folks that may have interest in learning how to brand, build their social media presence online to generate more referrals and presence in their community. All right, have a great day. Don't forget to check the show notes because I always have new and fresh ideas in there as well, including a course that I have created in regard to working with listing niches. So check that out. Have a great day.